Thank you for joining me for this YouTube tutorial on how to create buttons for Google Classroom or Canvas. We're going to go off of this color template. We're going to go up here to shapes, and if you want to do a circular shape, you'll click. We're going to expand it to however big you want. Okay. And in our previous tutorial, we were working with the eyedropper, so we're going to actually come up here to shape fill, more fill, go to our eyedropper, click on the color that we want for our palette, click OK, and then now we have our shape, our button. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I got this white outline. So now we're going to come back up here and we are going to enter another shape. And you just want to play around a little bit with it so that you can see how the shape will look inside. Now we want our shape filler to be no fill, so it's see-through. And then we want the outside to have the dashes. And we want them white, so it gives a little bit of a pop. So we are going to come up here to shape outline, down to our dashes, choose this one, and then I want to come back up here and choose white. So now we have our full button. I'm going to insert text, and let's just say home. Okay. So now to turn it into a button, what we are going to do is highlight the whole button, click Save Picture As, and I'll just put Home Button. So you're going to open up to your Canvas page, and from here, this is where you can insert your buttons. So I'm going to click on Edit, pull this down so you can see more. We're going to add our buttons underneath the welcome banner, just so that I have everything in place and aligned. I'm going to add a tab. So I don't want to see the border, so I'm going to click this icon right here. And when it opens up the table properties where it says border width, you're going to click 0 and save. That way you will not see the border. Now I'm going to insert the button that I saved. So I'm going to come up here where the picture is, upload image, on here, click submit. Make it centered. I can go like that. I'm going to add it again so you can see. You're going to come up here where it has the picture icon or the image icon. You're going to click upload. Find your button wherever you saved it on your computer. Click submit. Again, I like my things centered, so I'm going to make sure that's centered. Then I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to add another button. Another quick way for you to get this done is you can actually highlight the button, Control C, Control V, and just drag the button over here. Okay, so let's come down, click save. Okay, so now we have our buttons right here in our template. Click save. And now you can see we have our welcome border and we have our buttons. Now these do not have links yet. You can find how to create the links on the next tutorial. All right, I hope that this helps. And if you would like buttons that already match your templates, please click below to head on over to my TPT store so that you can purchase those. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.